For example, if you looked at the March 8th, 29 puts, what's the implied volatility? Come on. Oops. That's also 385. And look at the implied volatility, 129.90. Normally, as there's more time left, options with more time on them should be more expensive. Otherwise, you can make arbitrage. But bid offer spreads are high. So on March 15, it should be below 100. Almost 112. But this stock almost always has high implied volatility. And I have two new people showed up. That's you, Clayton? Oh, Carter, okay. I told you from get-go, I'm horrible with names. And what was your name? You came also late a little bit. Oh, okay. I already marked you present since you let me know you were going to be late a little bit. All right. So let's go back to this option. Now, if I were running an option book and I sold this option, it has a negative delta. That means it's a put. That's normal. As the price of this stock goes up, value of the option goes down. So my risk is on the downside. So that means in order to hedge myself, remember, if the price goes down, the value of the option that I sold goes up. So I'm losing money. How do I make money? I need to short the stock, right? By how much? By this delta, right? So for small price movements, if the price went up by exactly 1 cent, the value of this option contract would have gone up by only 66 cents, or 60 cents would have gone if the price went down by 1 cent. Value of the contract itself would have gone up by 67 cents. So I need something that's going to make me 67 cents when price goes down by exactly 1 cent. That means I need to sell exactly 67 shares. I need to short 67 shares. What happens if price goes down by 1 cent? I'm going to make 67 cents on that position. Remember, short, you make money when price goes down. So for small price movements, I'm hedged. But for larger price movements, delta itself changes. So if price goes down to 26.14, let me actually add a digit to this. And let's get it out of solver mode because I want to fix my volatility. As you can see, it changed about 60 cents. Remember, that delta is an approximation. That's an exact number. But that's good enough. Oh, delta itself changed a little bit, but let's make it 25.14. Look at what happened to delta. It went from 67 cents to 73 cents. That means if I shorted just 67 shares, basically I'm not covered fully. I still need 6. The trouble is now I'm going to short those 6 extra shares at a lower price. Okay? If the price happens to go back up, I'm going to have to buy those back because my delta also goes down. So you're going to get effect from whiplash. So you need something that's going to make you, at a minimum, delta and gamma neutral. Okay. Delta neutral is easy because stocks themselves have a delta. It's simple. A long position is the delta of 1, a short position is the delta of -1. But stocks don't have any gamma. So you cannot be delta gamma neutral by using only this option and stocks. What else has a gamma? Well, any other option has gamma. So let's kind of work stuff out here. Come on, full. What happened to this? So I have a put option. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and read them from directly. Robinhood. It is a delta of 0.6642. I guess I need to multiply the gamma by another hundreds. I forgot doing that. But let's go ahead and write these down. I am short this put option. That means I sold the option. If you buy an option, you are long the option. There's a delta of negative 0.667, gamma of 0.0702, I think. Yeah. Okay. I need another option with a different gamma. By the way, both puts and calls have positive gammas if you're long. In this case, I'm short, so in a sense, I have risk. Gamma is a risk for me. So if I have a position on, let's say, $27 puts maturing on 3/29. Let's find it out. Actually, 28. Oh, that's because of Good Friday.